shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Kammerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for August 5th, 2020. All right, happy Wednesday, everybody. Today on the SPY, we are going to be bullish above 332.50. That's the next strongest level above us, those $2.50 increments. And then we'll be bearish below 331 for a retracement overnight gap fill to fill the gap. If we were to go past that, the 4 EMA would be our next target. But that gap fill is definitely what you want to watch for first. Let's go to the E-minis. We're going to be bullish above 33.20, and we're going to be bearish below 33.09 for retracement to possibly person's pivots if we do move down. The Russell, we're going to be bullish above 152.50. That's coming up right here, actually. We're right on it at the moment. That's a big level. Pretty big spread right now. Let's see if the 50 pops up on the bid or the offer. Up the bid, that's strong. Yeah, if they pop up on the offer, it would be up, they left. Back on the bid. That's what you want to watch for. Yeah, he keeps doing it. There we go. That's stronger when he appears on the bid. Bear below 151.80. Let's go to the QQQs. We're going to be bullish above 272.25. Looks like it's running out of a little bit of steam. Retracing. It might retrace back down to these moving averages. These are powerful. The 200 exponential and right here, and the 200 simple. And then we'll probably get a big bounce up if we do go down to this 270 level. So that's why I'm going to be bearish below that, 269.50. Yeah, I want it to really be bearish. We could just get that pop there. And the same for the NASDAQ. I gave it pretty wide levels today. There's a lot of interference. I didn't want people to get shaken. Oh, you can see the NASDAQ already did that. See, they came down to those two moving averages right here. So it looks like the futures are leading. Yeah, the NASDAQ futures are leading the QQQs, which happens a lot. That's why we watch them. And I'll be talking about futures today in the training pit. Yep. So stay tuned for that at 11 o'clock. I'm going to be bullish, though, above 111.50, bear below 11.040. Gave it extra room there. Let's go to the oil futures. Hold on a minute. Let me just get up my platform here. Yeah, the oil futures, we are watching those trend lines. Ooh, look at that. It's trying to pump up above those trend lines. Yeah, but it's only Wednesday. We'll see how the weekly candle closes. We could have an up thrust at the end of the week, or we could have a really green bullish candle. If we have a green bullish candle, that's going to be uber bullish, you guys. We'll probably go up to about this 50 level. All right, but if we up thrust and start to move down, that's when we would look for this pattern. Oh, the suspense. Yeah, lots of suspense there. But today we're going to be bullish above 43, and we've already gone up and hit quite a few targets here. Actually, went up to 43.50. That Camarilla, see that, guys? Zoom in on that. Yep. If you don't have these on your charts, yeah, they're so powerful. That's where computers are loaded to buy and sell. So we've hit pretty much 3 targets. And you see how I wrote Camarilla here? Yep. That's why that was a big target. So if we do go up above maybe 43.20, 25 area, or if we go above the Camarilla, there's a lot of room to go to the upside. Yeah, so watch that for the next trade. Let's go to gold. Gold, 2051. Gold is the best. Yeah, we've been loving this trade, rocking this in the Java Pit trading room every day. So congratulations to all of you that have been trading it. We've been loving it since the dark pool again. If you've been following me on anything, I've been screaming the dark pool has been buying for a while. We'll see when they're selling. Oh yeah, I'll let you know too, but we haven't seen that yet. We're above all those prints on IAU. That's really the dark pool favorite. So when I post that on the app, pay attention. We don't it's slow to trade usually, but you know, maybe 20, $19.87 the last eighth. We might see a little bit of resistance, but you know, it's been riding the 4 train. Look at this. It's been riding. If you just got into gold and you said, I'm not going to get out until this closes below the 4 EMA, you would have rode it all the way up. So what we do is we scale and roll our options all the way up. We've been in this trade for a while on GDX, GLD, some other gold stocks. But today, for the gold futures, we're going to be bullish above 2060. All right, let's see if we could break above that level. We just came up to it, pulled back. Let's see if we could do it. Bear below 2032 for a retracement trade for the gold futures. All right, I have another trade on GDX for you in a little bit. But let's go to BTI. Yeah, thank you to Happy Trader in the bootcamp class who pointed out there were 2 million prints on this. In fact, yeah, let me show you. One was canceled. Yeah, so this is interesting, right? We get these 2. One of them was canceled, but then we got another one. So it's 4 million, 4.6 million. Yep, one at 33.39. This is huge for BTI. All right, British American Tobacco. The options are not great though. Yeah, I'll check them out again, but they really weren't that great. But this is, you know, are they buying at the bottom here? A lot of volume here. We want to wait a couple of days, but this is more of a swing trade. Okay, now it could move for a day trade, but I put swing because I'm looking for a bigger move. All right, so bullish above 34.25. I'd like to see a close above the 8 EMA. That's a good swing. Bear below 33. Yeah, so pretty big levels. Keep this one on your radar. Yeah, it's really big. It's not every day, so thank you, Happy Trader, for pointing that out. Love you guys. You guys are amazing. I'd miss a lot of stuff if it wasn't for everybody here, so thank you. Disney. I don't care what the earnings were. It likes them. 125 is major level, so bullish above. I believe there's been some short volume on it. All right, let me just check that out. Are they going to get squeezed? Yeah, probably. Yeah, see these red bars are short volume, and you can see the short volume has been going up. Yeah, we definitely had some buying volume too. So, but again, we're just going to follow the levels. Yeah, 125, bullish above that. Bear below 122 for a retracement trade. Yeah, we're kind of stuck here. You see how it came down to this VWAP? Yeah, VWAP is really powerful. We talked about this in boot camp yesterday, right? Acts like a magnet and a rubber band. So you see it went down to it and bounced. It's amazing. Yeah, if we go below that, that would be bearish for a retracement trade. Okay, let's go to, and we'll also use that 15 exponential moving average for a trend trade as well. NEO. Yeah, NEO has been a beast. Today we're going to be bullish above 14 and bearish below 1280 for NEO. Nikola. Thanks for the call out on this, Paul. It came down to the 100 moving average in green there and bounced. So if we go below that, that would be bearish, 32.50. The bull trade, I believe, is on. Yeah, no, 34.25 is my bull trade. Didn't quite get there yet. Yeah, I don't love the bull trade. I don't like to really go against the trend, but there is room for a retracement. And that's why you'll see me put retracement. Yeah, retracement to resistance. That's really what that means. Or if it's going down, retracement to support. Keep in mind, always better to be in a trade that's following the trend. But when it's far away from it, yep. Silver. I know you guys never thought it would get this high, but guess what? It can go much higher. Much higher. Yes. 25 is key though. There's definitely going to be some sellers here. Yeah, but you know, that short volume on it creeped up again. Look at this. So these guys can get squeezed once again. Yeah, see that? Yeah, these guys are freaking out today because they're short and they're going, oh my God, I can't believe it went up. And what are they going to do? Are they going to short more? They become stubborn. Or are they going to finally throw the flag in, cry uncle? Because, you know, margin calls happen. If you look at the weekly chart, we have a bull doji sandwich. You guys know what that is? Who here has not heard of that? Bull doji sandwich. What is she talking about? Let me just draw a line here. Yeah, we have, it's in my book. There you go. Well, we have two of them. Wait, we have two. It's a double decker. Look at this. We have a green candle, a doji indecision. The bulls and the bears are duking it out, and the bulls win, and it goes higher. And then we have this. It's like a BLT, right? We have another one here, doji. Here's another bull sandwich. Double bull. I don't think I've ever seen this. Have you guys seen this? I have to take a picture. This is rare. This is the BLT bull doji sandwich. Just made that up, by the way. Live. Okay. It's only Wednesday. Just wait till we get to Friday, you guys. Yeah, it gets even crazier. All right. That's what happens when I don't eat breakfast. I start looking at charts and I see food. All right, let's go to the next one. Oh yeah, so today we'll be bullish above 25.20. Yeah, let it go up about 20 cents. And yeah, bullish. Retracement 24.50 for retracement trade. All right, let's go to CVS. Yeah, CVS long-legged doji. Yeah, it popped up and dropped. I think they didn't pop it up on, look, 3,000 volume. Yeah, that is that's a weak move when they do that. Yeah, it's not real. They just, yeah, they fake you out in the morning. And I always feel bad for the people that bought it up here. I do. Please don't buy stocks that pop up in the morning on 3,000 shares, okay? It has to be real volume. So yeah, don't ever do that again. CVS will be bullish above 68.50 and bearish below 66.75 for CVS. AMD, bullish above 86.50, bear below 85 for AMD. Yeah, this has been a great stock. Is it overbought here? Yeah, it might retrace, but look here on the 5-minute. Watch these moving averages. Yeah, it's most likely going to bounce. They're around 84, 84.25. So that's why my stock is really a retracement. Yeah, we just went below 85, bear below. We might go there and bounce. Yeah, so definitely take profits. All right, on that short trade there, if you're going to trade AMD. We got GDX up next. And we're going to be bullish above 45.50 for GDX, bear below 44.50 for a retracement to person's pivots. All right, SPCE. That 20 level is really key to watch. Let's just go to the daily chart here. Yeah, it's dojiing right on it right now. Yep, we got the VWAP just above us. So bullish above that VWAP, above 2050, bear below 1950. Those are key levels. Which way is it going to go? You know, does it want to go and retrace back up to the 4, or is it going to come down to the 200 and the 120? Simple moving average, which is this dotted line, very powerful. Put it on your chart if you don't have it. 120 simple moving average. It's insane. It's such a good one. And the 50. Most people have the 50. That's where computers are going to be loaded to buy if they move it down. All right, let's go to Intel. Got to talk about Intel. They retested those prints this morning, 49.50. They are keeping us in suspense. Yeah, we had 20 million, you guys, between 49.47 and 49.50 back here. They splashed it down and they moved it up and retested it. So this is a swing trade. I'm looking for a close above the 8 EMA. If it closes above that, uber bullish. If it does start to head down, that's not going to be good, all right? Bearish below 48.87. And I don't know if it'll move a lot today or, you know, most likely will be a swing, but you don't want to miss it. It's one of those. Bank of America has been very difficult to trade. I think this is maybe the second time in my career that I've seen big prints and really no movement. Warren Buffett is not moving the stock. It's been stuck at this 25.29, but if it can break above 25 level, 25.29. If it can break above 25.50, 26 is a nice trade. Get out at the last eighth for a day trade. Yeah, and I do like it as a swing trade if it can close strong. Let's go to bear below 24.95 though. SQ Square. Yeah, monster. This company has been doing very well during this pandemic. We're going to be bullish above 152.50. Bear below 148 for Square for retracement. Volley had the most prints we've ever seen in one day yesterday. So if we close above them, we got to go long. Bullish above 12 today. Bear below 11.20. If we go below 11.20, we got to go short. If we go above 12 after these new prints, we got to go long. Yeah, it's going to be a big mover. We have, no, it's the 120 simple, Matthew, yeah. Which is on the PowerPoint that I gave you yesterday as well, that I showed you. All right, GME, sorry about that. We are going to be bullish above 520. So a lot of us have been in this. This is another one that had big prints, as I called out on the app, and short volume. And look what they did to us this morning. They brought it all the way up here and flopped it down. All right. We're still in the money, but not as good as it would have been. We're going to be bullish above 520 and bear below 437 for GameStop. That's it, you guys. Those are the whispers. Until next time, happy trading.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.